Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and avoid tolls on Waze. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we'll simply start our video. So for the matter, first of all, access the particular Waze app, and now you gotta go to this Where to section and go ahead and enter a particular destination of yours. And once you have done so, wait till the go now is loaded completely. And then afterwards, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this drop down icon given over here, and then we're gonna find all kinds of info. So we're gonna first resume our particular destination, tap on this OK now, and then once we have confirmed, we're gonna find this car info, right? We're simply gonna tap on this car info icon, and then we will find this option called avoid tolls. We're gonna simply turn this on and now tap on OK, and now we will be able to avoid a particular tolls for us, just like that. That is the way you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.